Windows 11. I think it's about time we need to talk about this. One of the biggest problems is whether I can or cannot create tutorial videos for it. If you want to see the outcome of this, stay tuned right after this. A while ago, I did a Let's Talk video, something similar like this, explaining why I haven't done any tutorial videos in a while. Well, the main cause was my computer that I use as a virtual host was broken. Now that I got it up and running, I have another concern. Windows 11. Whether I can or cannot create tutorial videos for. Now it'll be interesting to see what will happen, and I do not know what will happen because this video is going to be me trying to install Windows 11 on my VirtualBox host. So hopefully I can get Windows 11 installed successfully and create some tutorial videos that I have in mind. So I'm going to head to the computer and I'm going to show you if I can or cannot, or try my very best to install Windows 11. Okay, now we're at the Windows 11 install, so this is pretty basic. So click Next, yes, and click Install Now. Right, so now it's going to ask which version we need to install. So I'm going to select Windows 11 Pro. Click Next. Oh, this ain't good. Okay, that ended quickly and badly. For some reason, my VirtualBox has not met the system minimum requirements for Windows 11. I have my guess that it could be the TPM. Unfortunately, the message does not say what requirements I am lacking. So that also got me concerned as well. So I'm going to go and ask Uncle Google for a solution for this, even though that Windows 11 64-bit edition is supported on VirtualBox, and have another go. Okay, now let's try attempt 2, which suggests that I should hold down the Shift key and press F10, which will bring up the command prompt window. Now I need to type in regedit. Now I need to go and find H key local machine, system, and setup. Next, I need to right click and create new key. We're going to call this lab config. Next, I need to create a dword entry. So new dword 32-bit value. And the name of this should be called bypass TPM check. So we need to set this value to 1. Click OK. Next, I need to create another dword called bypass RAM check. I don't know why I need that, but I'll do it anyway. We also have to set this value to 1. Click OK. Next, I need to create a dword entry called bypass secure boot check. I'm guessing it's to bypass UFI check, I believe. Set that value to 1. Okay. Okay, so let's close the registry editor, command line, and let's try install again. Okay, so let's select Windows 11 Pro like before. Click Next. This is the answer we are looking for. Before it said a compatibility check, so now we're going to click Accepted Terms, click Next. Let's do a custom install. Create new volume, apply, create those as well, click Next. Now it's going to copy the Windows files. This took a very long time to install off screen, but finally we have made it to the desktop. Okay. So yes, I have installed Windows 11 successfully on a virtual machine. But I need to mention something. I am using an old build from 2021, November. So I don't know about future versions and how that will react. I do know that newer versions of Pro version down the track will require you to set up a Microsoft account and also check with Windows updates. So if you're not connected to the internet, it will make it very difficult. In this case, I had the internet disabled on this virtual machine, so I cannot contact the outside world for security reasons. So I don't know how that's going to work in the future. So I have successfully installed Windows 11. Now it's time to create tutorial videos. Thank you for watching this video. It means a lot to us. You can help us out by becoming a Patreon or buying stuff from our shop. Otherwise, you can like, share, comment and watch more of our videos. Until the next video, see you later.